4 quick and easy ways to rediscover yourself. When life happens, you start losing track of who you really are and what you really wanted to be. You become someone's husband or wife, some kid's parent, some basketball player's mentor, etc. In the midst of it all, the real you gets buried under the different hats you need to wear. So, how do you rediscover yourself? That's what you're going to find out in today's presentation. Let's begin. Number 1. Start writing in a journal. Writing down your thoughts, your feelings, and your goals in life will help you to get to know yourself better. Don't be afraid to write down your deepest fears, your biggest regrets. Don't leave anything out. There's no need to be secretive. Censoring yourself will be tantamount to lying to yourself. So let it all out in the open. Over time, you'll see a pattern emerge, and you can clearly see what makes you, you. Number 2. Think back on what made you happy in the past. At one point in your life, you were very happy. Try to remember what made you feel that way. Was it because you were surrounded by people you loved? People who really cared about you? Were you active in sports? Did you have any hobbies that made you feel good about yourself? While you can never bring back the past, it might help to do the things that made you happy before. Try to recreate the activities that made you feel free in the past. See if you can go back to your old hobbies or your favorite sports. Number 3. Learn to love yourself again. Sometimes we put the welfare of other people ahead of us. We put our spouses and our children's welfare first. While there's nothing wrong with doing that, you must not neglect yourself. Pay attention to yourself and your body. If you suppress yourself and you carry out your day-to-day activities like a robot, then you'll never find yourself. Number 4. Be aware of your feelings. Figure out what events trigger certain feelings, like happiness, anger, or disappointment. The more you know your feelings, the more you get to know the real you. When you discover the things that make you happy, then try getting yourself exposed to those things frequently. It will help keep all your negative emotions at bay.